In Spanish, carne guisada means stewed meat. The dish is a classic of Puerto Rican cooking and is most often served simply over a bed of white rice. Most versions of carne guisada consist of beef braised slowly with tomatoes and sofrito. Sofrito is an aromatic puree of peppers, cilantro, onions, and garlic that forms the base of many Latin Caribbean dishes. Carne guisada is part of other Latin cuisines too. There are Dominican recipes that feature oregano alongside the pepper and tomato base. Adaptations of carne guisada show up in communities along the Texas-Mexico border. There, the stew is most often served thickened with flour and served as a taco filling. That's the version that inspired our take on guisada at Cook's Country.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.